city name?
Ma'am, I think can start with the session also now.
Thank you so much, sir. So children, in the meantime, while you are typing, Advik, are you typing? I have not got any response from your side. Okay, so children, let me tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you'll get to know your mentor. And then you'll see a short informative PPT wherein you can note down, if you want to note down anything related to your course. And then you'll go on a virtual tour of the dashboard of Olympiad Success, where you will learn how to access reading materials and everything from the dashboard. And then if in case you have a doubt or a query, you can ask it then and there and get it clarified. And then the actual demo will begin. I hope the flow of the session is clear to each one of you. Is it? Please show a thumbs up. Okay, very good. All right. So let me tell you that we have with us Shagun Agarwal ma'am with us. She is going to be your mentor through the entire course. And I believe that you're going to enjoy her sessions. Teaching is her passion. She loves to interact with kids like you. She's a wonderful mentor. And now I will not speak much. I'll request directly to Shagun ma'am to speak to you. All over to you, ma'am.
Hi, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Well, thanks, Monica. So my name is Shagun Agarwal. I've done my MBA in finance from IBS Mumbai. I've also worked in the corporate sectors with companies like ICICI and Mahindra Finance. But I realized that my passion actually was teaching young kids like you all, like Monica ma'am just said. And here I am. So I've been teaching maths online and offline for 5 years now. So as a teacher, I give a lot of importance to concepts, because I believe that if you have in-depth knowledge of a topic, no sum would be difficult for you. Also, during the class, I'll try to make it as interactive and fun as possible. Okay, there'll be a lot of question answers going on. I will try and give you all real life examples and make it easy for you all to understand the concepts. Fine. Also, we're here to do Olympiads preparation. So that is a little difficult from your regular school mathematics. It'll be a little difficult. But if we practice, if we follow the concepts, yeah, we can solve practically almost anything. So I'm here to help you all in this journey. Okay, so that maths becomes your favorite subject and you'll really enjoy acing your exams. Yeah, over to you, Monica, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hemant and Dev, please switch on your cameras, because we do not allow students without video in the class. Please switch on your cameras, Dev and Hemant. Okay, so children, allow me to share my screen. Just a moment. I believe it is visible. So a very warm welcome to the demo and introduction program for Class 4 Mathematics Batch 5. As you are already aware that Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams, Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation, and School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of yearly program that includes 8 courses that matter at this juncture of your life. These 8 courses include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12. One-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. You can meet our international rank holders for the year 2022-23. They're on the screen. And for the year 2021-22, classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor. So you get 3 sessions per week on Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Timing will be 5 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between, right? So the sessions would be a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You get access to reading material, practice questions, and topic-wise mock tests for both maths and reasoning, as well as logical reasoning. So how to access the dashboard of Olympiad success, that you will get to know through a virtual tour very shortly by Rajan sir. So the syllabus is available at this particular link, and fees can be paid by clicking on this particular link. All the important relevant links will again be pasted in the chat box. Don't worry. The fees for this entire course is 8,925 rupees, and it is going to be a 40-session course. The fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics and logical reasoning. So all that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with camera. As I've already told you, we do not allow students without camera in the class, without video, and headphones for better audio clarity. Now, since preparation for Olympiad exams is slightly, tougher than your regular school curriculum, so you need to spend some time extra every day to cope up with the curriculum, and parental support is required at the back end. So in 2021-22, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now the live classes for this particular batch begins from Saturday, 8th of July, 2023. Now I hope you've noted down all the relevant details related to your course. Now I would request Rajan sir to take you through a virtual tour of the dashboard. All over to you, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful presenting. Let me share my screen with the students. I hope the screen is visible to everyone. So students, welcome to the Olympiad Success. So this is, I'm just showing you how you can access the content. What you need to do, you need to click on my account. So once you enroll with us, we will create credentials for you. And with that credential, you can log in and check the content. Let me log in with the credentials I have. Click on sign in. So this is the student profile and all the content you will find here in the live classes. Click on live classes. Then you need to choose a subject, that is Mathematics Olympiad in our case. Then you need to select a topic. Let me select fractions. So for each and every topic, you will find reading material, practice question and answer keys here. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the reading material for the topic fractions. Now just wait a second, I think it's loading. Yeah, so this is the reading material for the fraction topic. Okay. Similarly, you will get for other topics also. Let me show you practice questions. So this is a set of practice questions we have for fraction chapter. Okay, so for each and every topic, you will find a reading material, practice question and answer key here. Other than that, students, you can also check schedule here, like in which session, which topic we are going to cover. Let me show you. See, like here in session 1, we'll cover this topic, numerals, number name and number sense. And in session 2, session 3, we'll move with this topic. And in session 4, we have a test discussion. So after each and every chapter, there will be a test discussion. We'll share the test with you that you need to attempt at home, and then we'll discuss the questions in the classes. Now, other than that, like Monica mentioned, we'll also discuss previous year Olympiad question. So if you see at the end of the schedule, we have super classes. Let me show you. Yes, so at the end of schedule, we have super classes. So in the super classes that we are going to do, in super classes, we'll discuss all previous year Olympiad questions, okay? Now, other than that, students, you can also check holiday calendar here, like on which holiday you don't have the classes. And with this course, you'll also get free access to the topic-wise mock test for reasoning as well as for mathematics. Let me show you. You just need to choose worksheets here. Then you need to choose a subject. So with this course, you can access for mathematics as well as for logical reasoning, okay? Let me show you how it looks like. Let's click on mathematics. So these are all topic-wise mock tests. Just click on next for more mock tests. You need to click on take exam to attempt it. And after completing the test, you can check your performance whenever you want. Here in the performance tab, just choose performance tab, then choose the subject, and then click on detailed result view to check the answers and your report. Okay. So this is all about the dashboard, students. Now, if anyone have any doubt or query, you can put in the chat box. Do anyone have any doubt or query? No?
In case
No
you have
doubt.
a doubt, please don't keep it with yourself. Ask it. This is the time to ask.
Everything is clear? Okay. Okay, I'm just giving you time in case if anyone have any doubt or query, you can put in the chat box. In the meantime, students, can you tell me the days on which you're having the classes? You can put in the chat box. Saturday, Sunday. Okay, Arav. Any other answer? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay. Any other answer, students? So when Monica, Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday, when Monica was presenting her presentation, she actually shared the Saturday, Sunday. Okay. No, Saturday, Sunday, we don't have class. We also don't have class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we have classes on Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So can you please tell the name of the app? Which app? July and August morning sessions available. No, Nikita, not the group classes. But yeah, if in case if you want to have one-on-one classes on any specific day, we also provide one-on-one classes. You're talking about which app? Gia's
I think we are
Science
talking
Siddharth.
about dashboard, maybe.
Okay, okay. So, Sai Siddharth, that is actually the website of Olympiad Success. Okay, that is not any app.
So
Any doubt or query?
once you register with us, you will get the login credentials. Don't worry.
Correct. And Nikita, I'm pasting some links in the chat box again. So at the top, there's our WhatsApp number. You can copy that and you can message on that, and someone from our team will contact you regarding any specific time classes. Okay.
Any other doubt, anyone?
Okay. In the meantime, students, you can also share the timings with me. Timing for the classes. What will the timing for the classes? Anyone? Five to 6:15. Okay, Arav, any other answer? I have a doubt. Yeah, Hemant, you can put in the chat box. 5 to 6:15. Any other answer, students? Or is it correct?
5 to 6:15 a.m. p.m. p.m. Yes, that's right.
Correct. Hemant, are you typing?
Sai Siddharth, it's not 5 to 6. So Hemant has a doubt. Post registration, do we get access to the dashboard?
Yes, yes, you will get access to the dashboard after you register. So we'll create credentials for you and we'll share with you. With that, you can access the content. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay. Any other doubt or query, students? And Hemant, Ananya, Nikita, and GR Sai Siddharth, you can switch on your videos. Okay, so I'm just briefing you in live classes also, you need to switch on your videos. Other than that, will not allow you in the classes. Okay.
So Hemant
we
is
need to
asking,
have a
is it
desktop laptop.
compulsory that we need to have a desktop or a laptop? Yes. In the
See,
we
Hemant,
told you.
we prefer that too. Okay, in case if you have tab or something like that, you can have the classes with it, no issue. But yeah, we prefer if you can use desktop or laptop. Question. Okay, you're talking about dashboard.
Nikita is joined from 2 IDs.
Yeah.
Any specific reason?
Hemant, you can access the questions on mobile, no problem with that. Okay.
Any other doubt, anyone?
So in case if anyone, no one have any doubt, shall we start with the session? Are you ready, students, for the class? Okay. Okay, I think we can start with the session then. I'll be accessing the classes through my phone. Yeah, Hemant, you can do that. But yeah, see, in phone, maybe the view will be not very good. That's why we prefer laptop or desktop. But in case if you don't have any laptop or desktop, you can use phone, no issue with it. Okay. Okay, then I think we can start with the session. So over to you, Sneha ma'am, Shagun ma'am.
Thank you, Rajan. So hi, everyone. We're starting off with our today's demo. So before we start off, can any of y'all tell me what is the day today? What is the day? Or can type in the chat boxes. Let's see, fastest fingers first. Which is the day today? Okay, Saturday. Saturday. Yes, yes, absolutely. It's Saturday. And what about the month? Which month are we in? Is it January, December? Which month is it going on? July. Okay. Asha has answered first, July, right? So y'all got it right. Today's Saturday, we're in July. So where is this place where you see months and days appearing together? Where is it that we can, see all the months and the days coming together, all the months, all the days in the week? Calendar, Advik, great, awesome. So yes, calendar is a place where we generally see all the days and months together. So what is a calendar? Okay. We all know we've seen calendars. We've seen calendar in our houses. We have calendars in our school diaries. Even mobile phones nowadays have calendars. So what exactly is a calendar? Anyone? You all can raise your hands and I can unmute all. Yes, yes, Arav.
Ma'am, calendar is a passive, it's type of equipment which help us to measure all the days and dates and the time.
Okay, yes, fine. Calendars also where we see the date and month, correct? So if we were to say what calendar is, a calendar is a tool or it is a system which allows you to organize your days according to the passage of time or according to the period of time. Okay. And also you can also say calendar is a list of planned events, correct? So in a calendar, we write today I'm going to attend the demo class. Okay. My birthday is on the 12th of June. On the 15th of July, I need to go to see a movie. So, right, you plan all your activities and you put it down in the calendar. Yeah. So a calendar helps you to organize the days. Okay. And it's a list of planned activities. So calendar is the topic that we will be covering in today's demo class. Okay. So I just share my screen with all of y'all. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Is my screen visible to everybody? Y'all can just show me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Okay, great. Fine. Okay, so y'all have heard of these words: time, second, minute, hours, day. I'm guessing all of y'all must be very well versed with these words. And what we're going to be doing today is basically just a recap of what y'all have done in the third standard. Okay, so we'll quickly go through it. Fine. So like we said, calendar is a system tool used to mark the passage of time. Now a calendar looks something like this. You have the month on the top always, okay, and then you can see the different days below. Okay, now typically what is a day? What is a day? Can somebody tell me what is a day? So when I say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, what is a day? You all can raise your hands. We'll make it more interactive. Let's answer. Anybody? Hemant, would you like to tell me what's a day?
Ma'am, days like we have morning, evening, and 24 hours we have in a day, ma'am, and we get times to spend, ma'am.
Correct. So a day is basically 24 hours. Okay. Say from 12 in the midnight to again 12 the next day. So when 24 hours get over, it is a day. A day is the smallest unit or the most basic standard unit that we see in a calendar. Okay. Now what causes day? What causes day and night? Can somebody tell me? We'll just go a little into our science also. What causes day and night? Quickly. Okay, Arav, tell me.
Ma'am, the rotation of the earth causes day and night.
Correct. So the rotation of the earth on its axis, okay, causes day and night. Correct. And a day is 24 hours. Now, how many days do we have? How many days do we have in a week? Okay. Predominantly, come on. Vedika, how many days do we have in a week? I can't hear you, Vedika. You need to unmute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, we have 7 days in a week.
7 days. And which ones would they be?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Correct. So we have 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Always remember the first day of our week is Sunday. Okay. The first day of our week is Sunday. The first working day when we go to school or when we go to office is Monday. Okay. However, in the calendars that we use, always you will see that Sunday is the first day of the week. Fine. Now, Monday to Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they're called weekdays. They're called weekdays when we actually have our schools or we have our offices. And Saturday, Sunday are our weekends. And this cycle keeps going on. Okay. So there are 7 days in a week. Is everybody okay with that? Yeah. Can we proceed, everyone? Yes, Advait, do you have a question? No? Okay. Let's go forward. Fine. So you can see these are the 7 days of the week. Okay. Fine. Now coming to months and days. How many months in a year? Ashaz, how many months are there in a year?
And there are 5 weeks.
No, I asked how many months are there in a year?
Months. There are 12 months in a
12 months in a year. Can you also quickly tell me the months of the year? Like I told you, we're just revising what we've done in our second and third.
month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
December. Very, very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, so you said there are 12 months in a year. Okay. Now, certain months have 30 days. Certain months have 31 days. Do we all know that? Do we all know that? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Except which month? Except February. February is the only month which has either 28 or 29 days. Does everybody agree with this statement of mine? Yes? Okay. So now if I quickly want to know how many months, how many days, okay, how many days are in which month, if I want to remember randomly, okay, how can I do that? Okay, how can I do that? So if I just ask you, how many days are there in September? Okay, how can we do that? How will we remember? Yashu, how many days are there in September?
30.
Pardon?
31.
I can't hear you. Can you be louder?
30.
Very good, very good. Okay, Advik, how many days are there in November? Pardon?
November would have
November would have 30 days. Correct. Okay. So I correctly answered by both of you all. Now, a simple method to remember how many days are there in which month. Okay. So you know the fist method. Can everybody make a fist for me quickly? Yes, everybody. Can I see your fist? Okay, great. So whenever you want to remember or check how many months, how many days are there in a particular month, you start saying with me. Okay. Can you see these top parts on the knuckles? These knuckles on the top. Okay. Whichever month will land on the top part will have 31 days. And whichever month will land in these depressions, in these holes inside, will have 30 days, except Friday. Friday is the only month which would have 28 or 29 days. Are we all clear with this? Okay. So start saying with me. Let's start with January, which is the first month of the year. So January will come on the top of the, on the top here on the knuckle, on my first knuckle. So January would have, can you see 31 days because it's on the top? Then come down, February. Like I said, February is the only month which has 28 or 29 days. It's a special month. Now March again comes on the top. I can't see, Yashu, I cannot see your knuckle. Where is it? I cannot see your fist. Come on, everybody with me. So March comes on the top, so 31. You come down, April, 30 days. May on the top again, so 31 days. June, again come down, so 30 days. July, again on the top, can you see this? So 31 days. Now my hand gets over here, so I come back to the top. So after July is August. August, 31 days. September, inside, so 30. October, up again, so 31. November, down again, 30. And December again on the top, so 31. So did you all understand this fist method? Just to remember how many days are there in a particular month. Any questions, anybody? You can raise your hands if you all have any questions. No? Okay. So now if you see this chart that you all have in front of you all, which shows the number of days in each month, you can see that there are 7 months in total, which has 31 days. Okay. There are 7 months that has 31 days. See, January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. So I have 7 months which have 31 days. Similarly, how many months have 30 days? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 months have 30 days. Plus 1 month, which is February, has 28 days. Correct? So when I want to count how many days are there in a year, how many days are there in a year, if I multiply 7 into 31, okay, so this gives me 217. 4 into 30 gives me 120, and 1 into 28 gives me 20. If I add this, I will get 365. So there are 365 days in a year, correct? That is how we get to a total of 365. Yes, anybody, any questions? Reddy, Gary, Viva, any question? GR Siddharth, any questions? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Arvid, can you switch on your camera, please? Everybody, please have your cameras on. Okay, fine. Now going to the next thing. So we said, yes.
There is some problem in my camera, so I'm using another device.
Okay, fine. Okay, so are you logging in from another device, Dave?
This is another device, and I'm watching this from another device.
Okay, fine. As long as you're comfortable, okay? Okay, fine. Now coming to, we said that every year has 365 days. However, every fourth year, which is a leap year, we have 366 days. Okay, we have 366 days, and this 1 extra day gets added to the month of February. Okay, so in a leap year, February does not have 28 days, it actually has 29 days. Is everybody okay with that? Does everybody know this? Yeah, okay. So who would like to tell me why is it so? Why does a leap year have 366 days? Can anybody tell me this? So the teacher said leap year has 366 days. Yes, but why? Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, actually, according to some scientists, they say like the exact number of like days in a year is like, I'm not sure, but 3 or 4 hours extra. So like if it in every 4 years, let us imagine like it's 3 hours. So in every 4 years it becomes 12. So that we can imagine that it becomes 6 hours extra. I mean, sorry, 12 hours extra. So that's why there is one day added.
Okay, very good. Very, very good, Arav. Okay, so I just tell you what happens. Okay, let's meet. So for simplicity, we say that 1 year is 365 days, right? However, 1 year, that is the time the earth takes to complete one revolution around the sun, okay, is actually 365 and 1/4 day. 365 1/4 day. 1/4 day would mean 1/4 of 24. That would mean 6 hours more. Okay. But for simplicity, okay, for simplicity, we said 365 days. Now what happens? The first year is 365 1/4. The second year is also 365 1/4. Then again 365 1/4. And then again 365 1/4. Now in the fourth year, all these 1/4 get added. Okay, all these 1/4 get added. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 and 1/4 and makes it 1 day. It makes it 1 day. So this one extra day gets added into the leap year. And hence the fourth year has 366 days. Did you understand that? Okay, if every year was to be 365 1/4, it would be very difficult for us to keep track. So that's why what the scientists said, let the first 3 years be 365 days, and this one extra day, let's add it to the leap year and make it 366. Okay, would you remember this now, everyone? Why the leap year has 366 days? Okay, now how do we actually find out? Whether it is a leap year or not? Okay, if I were to ask you, so what do we have? Which year do we have going on now? Ananya, which year are we in now? Yes, Ananya, which year are we in now? Unmute yourself. You can unmute and answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the year going on now?
2023.
2000. So if I were to ask you, is 2023 a leap year? Is 2023 a leap year? How would you tell me?
No, ma'am.
No, right? So if anybody were to give you a year, say 2023 or 1996 or 1990, and they were to ask us, is this a leap year? How would you know that? Would anybody like to try? Yashu, Advik. Okay, Vedika, come on, tell me.
It's not a leap year because it's not it's a leap year only when it's like 4 or like, let's say it was 2004 or 2008.
Okay.
It's
So
a leap year,
yes.
then a leap year.
Yes. So if a particular year is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. Okay. So 2023 is what we have going now. So we have to check, is this divisible by 4? And an easy way, instead of dividing in the entire year, okay, one simple way of checking whether a number is divisible by 4 or not is just to check the last 2 digits and see if this is divisible by 4. Okay, remember, instead of dividing the whole number, you can just divide the last 2 digits and see if it's divisible by 4. So if we divide 23 by 4, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6 are 24. So it's not divisible, right? Hence, 2023 is not a leap year. But like Asha has correctly said, 2024, since 24 is divisible by 4, 2024 is a leap year. So if we were to check if a year is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Is that okay with everyone? Okay, but how about if I gave you a year like 1900? Whenever the year is ending in 100, okay, whenever the year is ending in 100, I don't divide the year by 4. I will divide the year by 400. Okay, always remember, to check leap year, there are two conditions. If it's a normal year, you will divide it by 4. But if the year is ending in 100, like 1900, 2000, 2100, then we'll always divide the year by 400. Yeah? Okay. Any questions? Asha, you have a question?
No, ma'am.
Anybody, any questions? Thumbs up, thumb down. GR Siddharth, Sai Siddharth, please switch on your camera. Nikita, camera on, please. All of you all. Okay. So since everybody, you all have all got it, we'll quickly do a recap of what we've learned. Okay. I would like Yashu to answer. Yashu,
Yes.
1 week, how many days?
7.
1 week, 7 days. Okay. Which is the first day of the week?
What?
Which is the first day of the week?
Sunday.
Very good. Okay. Next, let's see who will answer this. Nikita Kirti. Okay. How many months in a year?
12 months.
Very good. And if I were to ask you, how many months does December have? How many months does December have?
31.
31 days. Absolutely. Always remember, if somebody were to ask you how many days are there in a month, quickly make the fist and start calling out the months. Okay. So 1 year has 365 days. 1 year has about 52 weeks. Okay. 1 year has about 52 weeks. How do we arrive at this number 52? So we divide 365 by 7, right? Since 1 week has 7 days, we divide 365 by 7. So 7 5s are 35. I get 1, get 5 down. 7 2s are 14. 1 remainder. Okay. So 1 year has about 52 weeks and 1 day. Everybody okay with that? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever there are 366 days, it's called a leap year. There are 12 months in a year. About roughly 4 weeks in a month. Okay. About 4 to 5 weeks in a month. Fine. Okay. 10 years is called a decade. 10 years is called a decade. Can anybody tell me what is 100 years called?
Century. Ma'am, a century.
Excellent. So we say now that the cricketer hit a century. So he hit 100 runs, correct? So 100 days is 100 years is a century. And similarly, 1000 years is a millennium. 1000 years is 1 millennium. Are we good with that? Everyone? We call the years from 1900 to 1999 the 20th century. Similarly, we call the years from 2000 to 2099 the 21st century, and so on. Okay, now we'll quickly start off with the sums, since we've all got the concepts and we're all ready. Yeah, everybody? Dave, any question? I can see your hands up.
Yes, ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, please ask me.
Ma'am, you said the weekend ends with Sunday.
No, I said the week ends with Saturday. The first day of the week is Sunday.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, the week starts with a Sunday, it ends with a Saturday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Any questions before I go to the sums? Ananya, Siddharth, nothing? Okay, let's look at the first sum. If 12th April 2000 was a Thursday, okay, if 12th April 2007 was a Thursday, what was the day on the 30th of April 2007? Okay, in this case, we have the calendar given to us. If you can see, they always mention the month and the year on the top, and then we can see all the days below. So they're saying 12th April is a Thursday. So what is 30th of April? What is 30th April? Which day is 30th April? Brahmani, please answer. And please switch on your camera also. Are you there, Brahmani? Okay, Nikita. Which day is 30th April?
Monday.
Monday, exactly. Yeah, we can just see the calendar. This is 30th. 30th falls under Monday. So 30th April is a Monday. Now this sum is relatively easy because we have the calendar that has been given to us. So we can easily see the day, find the day and see where is it. Okay. Going forward, we will see how to calculate the day without a calendar. Okay. Is everybody okay with that? Okay. Now let's see the next question. Anushka's grandmother went to the USA for a vacation on the 4th of June 2010. She came back on the 26th of August 2010. How long was her vacation? How long was her vacation? Okay, I'll give you a minute to read the sum and understand it, and then we'll solve it.
Ma'am, can you please display the question?
It's on the screen. Is my screen visible to you, Hemant?
No, ma'am.
Is my screen visible to everybody else? Yashu, Advait, thumbs up, thumbs down, everyone. Vedika, yes. Can you all see the question on the screen? Hemant, can you, I think you would have to log in again. I don't know why my screen is not visible to you. Can you do that?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So let's try and solve this sum. Anushka's mother went to the US on the 4th of June. Okay. So that means she was in the US in June for some part of June. She was there in July and she was there for some part of August. Am I right? Yes, everyone?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now yes.
Ma'am, is 4 June and 26 August will count?
Ashaz, yes. So coming to that, let's start with this. Just let me explain to you, okay? So they say that her vacation, she went on a vacation on the 4th of June. So her vacation started on the 4th. I went for a picnic on Saturday. So that means Saturday se start ho gaya picnic. So hence 4th of June will be included. So in June, how many days was she on vacation? June has how many days? 30 days. Out of that, 1st June, 2nd June, and 3rd June, she did not go on vacation, correct? So we will minus 3 days from June, which gives me 27 days. We will include the 4th of June because on 4th, her vacation started. So in June, for 27 days, she did vacation. Okay, we will exclude 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Now, July, we will take full 31 days because the whole of July, she was on vacation. And days in August that she was vacationing, we will take 25 days from the 1st to the 25th of August. Why? Because on the 26th, she has to come back. She came back, her vacation ended. She was not partying on the 26th. Am I clear? And when you add all these days, 27 plus 31 plus 25, we get 83. 83. So her vacation was 83 days long. Is everybody okay with that? Can I see any doubts? Thumbs up, thumbs down, please.
No.
Other way, Dave.
Ma'am, can you please repeat again, ma'am? Because I didn't.
Who's this?
Ma'am, me, ma'am, Hemant Acharya.
Yeah,
ma'am.
Hemant. Sure, sure. Okay, fine. So what I was saying is, we'll go through the question again. Anushka's grandmother went to the US for a vacation on the 4th of June. Okay. 2010, and she came back on the 26th of August 2010. Fine. How long was her vacation? What is the duration of her vacation? Now she's going in June for certain days. Correct? Her vacation is starting in June, right? For how many days was she vacationing in June? June total has 30 days. Out of that, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, she did not do vacation because her vacation started from 4th, correct? So 30 minus 3, that means 27 days in June she was on vacation. Okay. The whole of July, she was on vacation. So July is 31 days. And in August, she comes back on the 26th, which means her vacation gets over on the 25th, right? So the number of days in August that she was vacationing is 25. And then you add all these days, 27 plus 31 plus 25. So you get 83. Did you understand now, Hemant? Did everybody understand? Anybody has a doubt now? Okay, let's try the next sum in that case. How many hours are there in a week? How many hours are there in a week? And I would like somebody to try this sum for me. How about, let's see. No, GR Siddharth, would you like to try this sum? How many hours are there in a week? You can all start typing answers in the chat box if you want. Am I getting any answers? 3B. Okay, I got the answer from Arav, the quickest. Yes, the answer is 3B. How many hours are there in a week? 168. Now, how do we get to this? Yes, Yashu, Nikita. So we know 1 week is hours. 1 week is 1 day. Sorry, 1 week is 7 days. I'm very sorry. Everybody, 1 week is 7 days. And 1 day is 24 hours. Am I right? 1 week is 7 days and 1 day is 24 hours. So if I want to know how many hours are there in a week, so that is 7 days into 24 hours, right? Okay. Sorry. So when I do 24 into 7, 7 4s are 28, 2 goes carry. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 168. So that means there are 168 hours in a week. Did everybody understand that? Anybody has any doubts with respect to this? Can I see thumbs up then before I go to the next sum? Okay, great. Going to the next sum. How are 22 days to be written in weeks? How do we write 22 days in weeks? Okay, so we know again, 1 week is 7 days. We know this. Okay. Now, if I have 22 days and I want to distribute them into weeks, I will divide 22 by 7. Okay, so I know 7 3s are 21. When I minus it, I get 1 as the remainder. So I write a mixed fraction. 3 whole weeks. So this is 3 whole weeks. 1 day remaining out of 7. So 3 1 by 7. 3 1 by 7. Yes, Adit, I can see you raised your hand. Any question?
Ma'am, I was just telling the answer.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll give you a chance soon. So everybody, before we go to the exams, yes? Okay. I would like you all to try this sum. If Independence Day is in 1994 was on Monday, if Independence Day in 1994 was on Monday, on which of the following dates would it be a Sunday? On which of the following dates will it be a Sunday? Okay. Come on. So first, Dave, can you tell me which day is Independence Day? On which date do we have Independence Day in India? I can't hear you.
Ma'am, August 15th, ma'am.
Excellent. Okay. So always remember, so when you're doing maths, these calendar sums, you need to know your Republic Day, you need to know Independence Day, Children's Day. Okay. So Independence Day is on the 15th of August. Anybody with answers? Okay, let's see the chat. Ashaz, yes, would you like to try this sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, the answer will be D.
Pardon?
Ma'am, D. 26th September.
No. No, but it's a good try. Okay, so everybody will see how do we solve these kinds of sum. Okay, so they're saying 15th August is a Monday, correct? Yes, and we want to find out which day is going to be a Sunday, correct? So if 15th August is a Sunday, is a Monday, we know 14th. We know 14th August was a Sunday, yes or no? Yes or no? Everybody, please. Yes, yes, Nikita, yes, Advait. If
Yes, ma'am.
15th August was a Monday, so I know 14th August was a Sunday. Okay, because I want to arrive on a Sunday. Always remember the same day repeats itself after 7 days. Okay, so if first is a Monday, again 8th will be a Monday, again 15th will be a Monday. The same day repeats itself after 7 days because 1 week is 7 days. Okay, so now if 14th August is a Sunday, let's keep adding 7 to it because the next Sunday would be after 7 days. Okay, so I add 7 to this. So this gives me 21. So 21st August is a Sunday. I again add 7. I get 28. Okay, so 28th August is a Sunday. Now, when I add 7, I cannot write 35th August, right? Because August has only 31 days. So I'll wait. So August has 31 days. So 29, 30, 31. 3 days went in August. So how many days are remaining, Advait, out of 7?
Ma'am,
Out of 7, 3 days went in August.
Ma'am, 4, ma'am.
I'm 4.
28 to 31st is 3 days. So 4 days are remaining.
Yes, ma'am.
So 4th September again is a Sunday. I again add 7. I get 11 September. None of these are the options till now. I again add 7 and I get 18th September. Can you see this is one of my options?
Yes.
18th September is one of my options. So the correct answer is 18th September. Did everybody understand? In these kinds of sums, you have to remember that a particular day will repeat itself after exactly 7 days. Yashu, Vedika, did you understand this? Yeah. Okay. So I'll quickly ask you if the 11th of May is a Tuesday. Okay, this is for everybody. Generally, it's not on the board. If 11th of May is a Tuesday, what will it be on the 20th of May? Come on.
Can you repeat?
If 11th May is a, I'll write it for you. If 11th May is a Monday, what will it be on the 20th of May? Simple. What will it be on the 20th of May? Quickly. You have to give me answers very quickly now. Very simple.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. You can.
Ma'am,
So I'm getting answers on chat.
Ma'am,
Ash
that
says
is
Wednesday. Asha says Wednesday. Any more answers?
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Wednesday. Himat also says Wednesday. Nikita, what do you think? What will be the day? Advait.
It will be on Wednesday.
Correct. Ready, Gary? Are you with me? Shridhana? Wednesday. Why so? Because if 11th is a Monday, again you add 7, so 18th will be a Monday, 19th Tuesday, and then 20th would be a Wednesday. So this concept is clear with everybody. Should we move forward? Okay. Going to the next sum. If
Doubt.
Pardon?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please say.
Ma'am, can you go to the previous slide?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, I don't understand this question. This if the independent day in.
Okay, let's do it again. We'll quickly do this. You know, Independence Day is 15th August,
Yes, ma'am.
which was a Monday, they say.
Yes.
I want to find out which of the following dates is a Sunday. Okay,
Okay.
So for ease,
Okay.
let me see which is the closest Sunday. So I know 14th August is a Sunday.
Yes.
Now I also know that Sunday will repeat itself after 7 days. Every 7 days, Sunday will keep coming.
Yes, ma'am.
I told you that. So I will keep adding 7 to 14th. So plus 7, 21 August, correct?
Yes, ma'am. So 21 August is Sunday.
Yeah, but it is not in my options, no. They are saying which of
Yes,
these
ma'am.
dates. So I want to come to the option given.
Okay.
Okay,
So ma'am, we will plus 4.
so I keep adding 7 till I get 18 September. How?
Okay.
21 plus 7 again is 28th August. Now
Okay, so
when
ma'am,
I'm adding 7, I have to be careful that only 3 days of August are left. The remaining 4 days of September. So I'll get 4 September. Then again I'll add 7. So I get 11 September. Then when I am adding 7, I'm getting 18 September, which is in my option, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
that is my answer.
Okay, so ma'am, we have to plus and plus until we get the date on the option.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Chalo, now coming to okay. If 14th February 1984 was a Tuesday, okay, if 14th February 1984 was a Tuesday, what was the day on 13th February 1985? 1985. The catch here is they're asking you for the next year. Would anybody like to attempt this? Yes, Vedika.
It's a Wednesday. No, it's I think
Try.
Wednesday.
No. Anybody else? Good try. Asha, what does Asha say? Thursday.
Thursday.
Hemant says Tuesday. Okay, let's see what the correct answer is. So they're saying 14th Feb of 1984 is a Tuesday. But which day am I concerned with? I am concerned with 13th Feb. Correct? So 13th Feb of 1984, the same year, was a Monday. Yes or no, everybody? Yes, everybody? Hands, thumbs up, thumbs down. I will not understand otherwise. Yes. So 13th Feb of 1984 is a Monday. But now they are asking me for the next year. 13th Feb of next year. So always remember the same date on the next year, in the next year, is 1 day later. So if 13th Feb 1984 is a Monday, 13th Feb 1985 will be a Tuesday. Always remember the same date in the next year will be on the next day. Is that clear? So if your birthday this year is on a Saturday, next year it will be on a Sunday. Is that okay with everybody?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Remember, 14th February 1984 is a leap year.
14th February 1984 is a leap year. Is it a leap year or not? I just divide 84 by 4. Yes, it is a leap year because 4 will divide it. Yes, it is a leap year.
So, ma'am, one day we'll add.
But they're asking you for. But they're asking you for 1985. Is that okay?
So, ma'am, the answer will be Tuesday because the one day is
So the
subtracting
answer had
and
it.
1 day is adding.
So in this case, the answer, yes, would be Wednesday. But if it would have not been a leap year, the answer would have been Tuesday. You're right. Absolutely right. Adit. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand. Why do we choose only Why do we choose 13th Feb?
Because I want to arrive on 13th Feb. They are asking me what day is 13th Feb. So just to make it simpler, a general rule says that if the same date on the next year falls on the next day.
Okay.
Okay. Now coming to the next sum quickly.
So,
What is the-
ma'am,
Yeah.
So, ma'am, like today is 1st July. So, ma'am, and today is Saturday. So, ma'am, the next year will be Sunday.
Correct. So
Because
1st
we plus
July on in 2024 will be a Sunday.
Okay, so ma'am, we plus a day.
Yes, we plus a day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming.
No,
Yes.
ma'am, but now it's now if it's 1st July and 2024. So, ma'am, it's a leap year.
Yeah. So if you're having a leap year in the middle, okay, in that case, you will add a day.
So, ma'am, we will add 2 days.
One, because only one leap year has come. One additional day has come in the middle.
Okay, so ma'am, there is no difference. There is no difference.
In the period, if you see, if a leap year falls in the middle of your calculation, okay. So if you're going from 22 to 23, there is no leap year.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's okay. Okay. But if you are traveling from a leap year, 2024 to 2025, and February falls in the middle, it will make a difference.
Yes.
Okay. But if I'm traveling from 2024 to 2025, then February is not falling in the middle. If it's from December to January or December to February, it will not make a difference because February did not fall in the middle. But if the leap year of February falls in the middle, okay, if the February of a leap year will fall in the middle, it will make a difference. It will make a difference. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is everybody okay with this? What is the period of time in hours and minutes from 9:15 in the morning till 2:30 in the afternoon? Who wants to do this? So let's, Nikita, what do you mean by 9:15 in the morning? Come on, Nikita, quickly.
9:15.
Correct. So whenever you talk about time, okay, everybody, whenever you talk about time, always mention AM or PM. Okay. Time without AM or PM will not have any value. So when they say 9:15, yes, quarter means 15. So 9:15 in the morning, which means AM. Is that okay? Always say AM or PM. So from 9:15 in the morning till 2:30 in the afternoon. Half is gone. That means 30 minutes have already gone past 2. So that means 2:30 PM because it's afternoon. Am I right? Okay. Now, whenever you're calculating the duration of time, okay, try and make a line like this, okay? A day line, a timeline, this is called. Try and make a timeline. What is your starting point on this timeline? 9:15 AM. Correct? And what's your end point? 2:30 PM. Correct? Now we know from day, when you move into afternoon, in the middle, you have noon, which is at 12 PM. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Yes? So you always make this timeline, it will make your sums very easy. Okay. Now let's start calculating what is the total time duration. So from 9:15 to 12 PM. From 9:15 to 12 PM. Okay. First, from 9:15 AM to 10 AM, it's 45 minutes. Am I right? Yes. Then from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., that's 2 hours. Yes or no? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Then from 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. is another 2.5 hours. Yes. One second, I'll just erase everything on the screen. Okay. So you had 45 minutes. Then you had 2 hours. And then you had 2 hours, 30 minutes. Correct? Now, if I have to add all of this, what do I get? 4 hours, 75 minutes. But I know 1 hour is 60 minutes, correct? So I can split this 675 into 60 and 15. So this becomes an hour. So I get 5 hours, 15 minutes. Did you get it? So whenever you're doing time duration sums, okay, the sum can be something like the train started at 9:30 a.m. and it reaches the next station the next day at 2 p.m. What is the time duration? Always make your timeline. It will make your sums easy. Yes, Hemant, Advik, Adit. Any doubts, anybody? No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Moving to the next sum. School vacation began from the 14th of April 1996 to 10 June 1996. Okay, from 14th April to 10 June 1996. Find the number of days of vacation. Okay, this is something similar to the vacation sum that we just did. That lady going on vacation to the USA. So I would like you all to quickly do this sum and see. Let's see who gives me the answer first. Everybody in the chat box. Yes, Ashaz, you have a doubt. Please tell me.
Ma'am, is it 10th June include?
Pardon?
Ma'am, in school vacation,
Hmm?
10th June is include or not?
Yes, 10 June will be included because they are saying the vacation is from 14th April to 10 June. They are not saying school began again on the 10th of June. Had they
So
said
14 April is
14th
include
April
or
will
not?
also be included because the vacation began on 14th April. If they
Okay,
say
ma'am.
the schools opened again on 10 June, then we will not take 10 June. Or they say the school closed on the 14th June, we will not take it. But they have said vacation has started. Okay. So yes, I've got one answer. Arav says 8B, 57 days. Asha says 58. Hemant also says 57. Okay. So between 58 and 57, I'm getting a lot of answers. Let's see. Sorry. Now, if you have to see how many days are there in April. So they're saying the vacation began on the 14th of April, correct? April has how many days? 30. And how many days have gone by? 13 days have passed. 13 days there were no vacation, correct? Yes or no? 13 days there were no vacation. So 30 minus 13 is 17 days, correct? Now May, the whole of May were vacation, we were enjoying. May is 31 days. Lastly, June. June is 10 days of vacation because school is still there, vacation is there till the 10th of June. So if I were to add this, 7 plus 1, 8, 3 plus 2, 5. So the total was 58 days. 58 days. Okay, not 57, 58. Did you all get it? Where you all went wrong? Yes, ready, Gary, Tanviha, Siddharth?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts before I go into the next sum? No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Let's quickly dive into the next sum, okay? Republic Day in the year 1996 fell on Friday. Republic Day. Who's going to tell me? Adit, when is Republic Day?
Ma'am,
26th January.
Correct. So Republic Day in India is celebrated on the 26th of January. Okay, it fell on a Friday. When will Teachers' Day fall on? When will Teachers' Day follow? When is Teachers' Day? Come on, everyone.
Ma'am,
Ananya,
Ma'am,
Teachers' Day.
September 5th, ma'am.
November 5th.
Ma'am, September 5th, ma'am.
Correct, correct. So Teachers' Day is on the 5th of September. So now they're telling me that Republic Day was on Friday. And they're asking me 5th of September will be which day? 5th of September will be which day? So should we quickly do this? Okay, come on. Okay. So here, how will we do this? Okay. So in January, how many days are left? 26th, I know, is a Friday. In January, how many days are left? 5. I'm showing you a simple way of doing this. Instead of adding 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, I'll show you a shortcut. Ashas, look here. Everybody look here. No solving. I'm solving it for you now. Pay attention. So January has another 5 days left because January has a total of 31 days, correct? Out of that, 26 days I've already gotten over. So 5 days are left. So I'll take 5 days left in January. Then coming to February. Please pay attention. This is a leap year. So February would have 29 days. Okay. Coming to March. March would have 31 days. Okay. April 30. May 31. June 30 days. Okay. July 31. August 31 days again. And September, how many days did we say? When is Teachers' Day? 5th.
5.
Now I want to add all these days. Quickly add all these days that you have on your screen. Come on. 5 plus 9, 14, 15. Come on. What is the number of days? Come on, before I write it. I can't hear you all. 223. Okay, you're quick. Okay, so I'm rubbing what's on the screen so I can go forward. Okay. So 223 days. Now divide these 223 by 7 because I know that Friday will repeat itself. Hello? Are you there? Yes, Vedika. So, yes, you have a doubt. Please ask me.
Ma'am, I cannot send in the chat box.
You cannot?
Send the answer in the chat box.
Okay, no problem. Just speak to me here, Vedika, okay?
Okay.
So now we got a total of 223 days. Did you all understand how did we arrive at 223? We took the remaining days in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and then in September, 5 days. Why? Because Teachers' Day on the 5th of September. We got a total of 223 days. We will divide this by 7 because we know Friday will repeat itself on after every 7 days. So when I divide, 7 3s are 21. Minus 8, 1 comes down. I get 3 down. 7 1s are 7. So I get 6 as a remainder. Yes. Yes, everyone. Now 6 is a remainder. That means I was not able to complete 7. So from Friday, start counting 6 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So my Teachers' Day fell on a Thursday. Did you understand? Okay. In the previous sum where we had done, we were able to count plus 7, plus 7, plus 7 because there was a very short gap, August to September. But here I cannot do plus 7, plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. There are so many months in the middle, right? So what is simple is I will add the total number of days divided by 7. If it's completely divisible, it would have been a Friday. But because it is not completely divisible, I will add the remainder days. So I'll add 6 days. Again, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Teachers' Day fell on a Thursday. Is everybody okay with that? Yeah. So with this sum are today's demo. Our lecture is over. So I hope all of you all enjoyed and understood everything. You all have any doubts, any questions? Please feel free to ask. You all can write in the chat box if your parents have anything, or the numbers that were given to you all earlier. You all can feel free to call up on that number. Okay. No doubts? Super. So did you all have a good time? Did you all understand everything? Yeah. Okay. I had a real, yes, Hemant.
Ma'am, normally Olympiad classes, do you take?
Do I take?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I will be taking, I teach other kids too, and I will be taking this batch. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have other teachers also doing 4th standard, and I'll be doing this batch.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other questions? Okay. No. So I had a great time teaching you all. I hope to see you all in the next classes, and yeah, I'll be really excited to teach you all. Yeah, a super class I had. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Chalo, I'll see you all later. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.